Now let's create some simple beams and columns. And this is not really the area in which one program would typically excel over another. We can just copy a column around. For example, we can enter some beams, use the same copy array command to copy it across the columns. Obviously got one more copy. If you use the same numbers, I can delete the last part. This is extra, and I can then zoom in and enter the beam on the other side. Use the same copy array method to copy the beams as well. Then I can delete this extra one, and then I can look at it from the side. For example, I can maybe delete a part of the building like that. Maybe if I want, I can select the joints only, and after doing that, I can just copy call the move command and move them up a bit. Secondly, I can maybe delete this part of the building, make some movement, make it look a bit different from a standard copy. So this part up till now, what you've seen is pretty much this kind of data entry for normal buildings, for high-rise buildings, for any kind of building. That's very simple. It's when you get to the more complicated stuff that modeling starts consuming time. If it's only beams and columns and you're copying them around even 100 stories, that's not really much of an achievement. But when you really get to industrial type buildings with lots of holes and channels and whatnot, and I'll talk about those in a second, that's when you get problems, and that's where one program will be different from the other.